Local news for Thursday the 28th of June. Middle-income families can still get on the property ladder in the Wellington region despite the average house value continuing to rise. That according to Pope & Co Mortgages, South Wairarapa is an easy commuting distance from Wellington CBD and has affordable homes under $500,000. Wairarapa is exceeding the national bail screening target for participation. Rates are currently at 68%. And entries into the 22nd Supreme Pie Awards closed today, a competition which has previously seen great success for Wairarapa bakers. More than 5,000 pies in 12 categories will be lining up for judging in Auckland next month. Teachers will be in union meetings, meaning some Wairarapa schools will close early today. Strike action for nurses is set to take place next week, and staff from Premier Bacon are also considering industrial action. And in sport, Wairarapa United have drawn a rare home game in the next round of the Chatham Cup. They're due to play Stopout in 2 weeks' time. The women are away to Wellington United in the next round of the Kate Shepherd Cup.